Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, we have to open our contact list, for example using the contacts or the dialer, and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon right in the middle. So let's tap and pick this profile picture. And as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option and simply find it. You will be transferred to your own gallery. And as you can see, right now we have to tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner, and here we are able to change the position of the photo. We cannot unfortunately zoom it in, or we can probably, but I can't do it right now. Okay, so we can zoom in or out the photo in order to set it just like we want to. So this highlighted circle is the area which will be saved and which will be displayed. So if you've got it set just like you want to, remember to tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied, so tap on the stick icon again to confirm. And as you can see, here we've got our contact. It will be also visible on the contact list, and for example whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your HUAWEI Nova 9 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.